Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a website on your school Chromebook, even if your school has everything locked down. I'll show you 5 different ways to build a website for free. And in my next videos, I'll show you a full step-by-step tutorial for each method. So stay tuned and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Number 1. Replit, best for coding websites. First up, we've got Replit.com. This one is perfect if you want to code your own website using HTML, CSS, and JSV. It gives you a live preview, a custom link, and it works right in your browser. No downloads needed. In my next coming video, I'll show you exactly how to make a full working website on Replit step by step, so keep an eye out for that. Number 2. Google Sites. No coding needed. Next is Google Sites. If you don't want to code at all, this is your go-to. You just drag and drop text, images, and videos. And you can publish it with one click using your school Google account. In the next video, I'll show you how to make a cool school project site or portfolio using Google Sites. Number 3. Glitch, creative and easy hosting. Number 3. Glitch.com. This one's like Replit, but with a more creative vibe. You can remix other people's projects, make your own designs, and share them instantly with a .glitch.me link. I'll show you in another video how to use Glitch to make a custom website with buttons, themes, and animations. Number 4. Neocities, old school but powerful. At number 4, Neocities.org. This one's great if you like that classic internet feel. You upload your HTML file, and boom, your site's online with a free .neocities.org domain. In a future video, I'll teach you how to upload files and make your Neocities site look awesome. Number 5, CodePen for quick demos and practice. And finally, number 5, CodePen.io. This is perfect for short HTML and CSS projects. You can test things, see the results live, and use it to learn web design right on your Chromebook. I'll do a full tutorial showing how to make mini projects or UI designs in CodePen. If some of these sites are blocked on your school Chromebook, don't worry. In an upcoming video, I'll also show you unblocked alternatives and mirrors you can use to keep creating. So that's 5 ways to make your own website on a school Chromebook. No downloads, no admin access, and totally free. In the next few videos, I'll break down each one in detail, starting with Replit. So make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of them. See you in the next one.